All right, today we're going to learn how to make and label an array. When people march in parades, they march in rows. We call this an array. The boxes on our calendar make an array. They are arranged in rows of 7 days. Today we will use colored tiles to make an array. So now we are going to make a row of 4 tiles. Rows are horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is a row of 4 tiles, or an array of 4 tiles. We're going to go ahead and make another row. So now we have 2 rows of 4 tiles. Okay, so we have 2 groups of 4 tiles. This is called a 2 by 4 array. So this would be written a 2 by 4 array. And we know, let's go ahead and count how many tiles we have all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 tiles in this 2 by 4 array. We could also just say 2 times 4 equals